What's up, Transformers 4 fans? And here we have some more toys. You have Drift, here Generation 1 Optimus Prime, and then the main movie line Optimus Prime. We have Nemesis Prime, as it seems, and the special San Diego Comic-Con exclusive version. Here is Hound, a true warrior, and Grimlock. Ooh, yeah, he looks real evil. Samurai style. That's the whole line, probably, of the TF4. Then we have Score, former Snarl. Then next is Slug. And then we have Straff, who seems to be former Swoop. And last, Dinobot Slash. Yes, hello, Velociraptor. And again, a second version of Grimlock. Thanks for watching.